Did you know? In 2015, a remarkable event occurred in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. A woman named Kimberly was hiking when she was struck by lightning. The bolt of electricity entered her head, traveled through her body, and exited through her foot. Can you imagine that? She suffered burns and temporary paralysis. But here comes the twist. Kimberly survived. Not just that, she eventually recovered from her injuries. It's a testament to human resilience and the wonders of modern medicine. So next time you're out in a storm, remember Kimberly's story. But perhaps also remember to take cover. Until then, stay safe and stay curious.